Hello everyone, I'm your host Gaurav, and today I'm going to teach you my version of the Corpse Reviver. Corpse Reviver is nothing but a cocktail that brings you back from the dead. Not literally, but you know what I mean. So let's start by making my version of it. I'm going to add 15 ml of pineapple juice, 10 ml of lime juice, 10 ml of homemade ginger syrup, 30 ml of your favorite gin, 15 ml of your creme de menthe, 15 ml of that, fill up your shaker with ice, give it a good hard shake. Now let's strain our cocktail. And I'm going to garnish it with some holy basil. Here you go guys, my version of the Corpse Reviver. Cheers.